Okay, so hello, future developers. So welcome to today's session on inserting online images. Okay, so we'll learn to insert images into or an image into our web page. So to do that, let's look for any website and then just right click and then copy image address. So any image, online image that you have the address, you can do that here. So as you see here, so just here I'm going to type the image. So image img and then src equals and then the quotation comments. I'm going to input the link there. Then out of the quotation comments, I'm going to type title. So title is when the user mouses over the image, you would see a title display. So title equals and then the quotation comments, I'll put the name of the logo there. So in my case, I'm using ABCD logo or whichever name you'd want. And then out of the quotation comments, I'm going to give the dimensions. So width equals in the quotation comments, I'm going to use 200. Out of the quotation comments, I'm going to type the height and then equals and then give it a quotation comments and then make it to set it to auto. Then forward slash and then the greater than sign. So I'm going to end it this way. Now when I refresh, okay, I should have the image there. Okay, and you see when I mouse over, you saw the tooltip of the title text there or the title here. So let me just clear this and then refresh and see what happens. Okay, so I still have the image. Let's go to, or let's try this, adding the alt text or the alt. So the alt is good for screen readers so that when it's reading the page or it's doing some reading, it will know what to say. Okay, so this an ABC logo or something. Okay, so it's good for accessibility. Okay. So thank you and then see you in the next lesson. Thank you.